Good morning everyone and welcome to C News. This is Arjit Upadhyay and this is what transpired this week in the campus. First, the headlines. A panel discussion on wealth management trends in India was organized by CISI at Christ University. A guest speech delivered by the Prime Minister of Tibet, Dr. Lobsang Sangay, was organized by the Law Department. The Department of Hotel Management celebrated the first anniversary of SWA this week. An NCC silent parade was organized to commemorate the victory in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. CAPS, Center of Academic and Professional Support, organized an event on how to apply for foreign universities for the students of Christ University. A panel discussion on wealth management trends in India was organized by CISI at Christ University. The event, which took place in the main auditorium on December 15, 2015, saw Ganesh Iyer, country head CISI, address the students from the Department of Commerce, along with Mr. Vardhan, Mr. Vaibhav, and Ms. Smita. While Vardhan talked about the wealth management industry in India, Vaibhav spoke at length about asset management industry. Smita in her address focused on career and wealth management opportunities in India.
About 90 million WhatsApp application users. How many of you invest into mutual funds?
A guest speech delivered by the Prime Minister of Tibet, Dr. Lobsang Sangay, was organized by the Law Department here at Christ University. Department of Law, with Professor Sindhuja Iyengar, Assistant Professor, Political Science, and Father Benny Thomas were instrumental in organizing this event. Previous trade laws passed between India and Tibet, Panchal Agreement with China, Chinese occupation, the dams, Tibetan glaciers and water scarcity, and the importance of your mother tongue and to stay true to your culture were the key points in his speech. Team reporter J.C. Matthew talked to a student and this is how it went.
He effectively connected the dots between politics, spirituality and physiography, and his inspirational message about how even though the cause of Tibet and its democracy seems impossible, but he is willing to fight for it with his life.
The Department of Hotel Management celebrated SWAD this week. They came up with an initiative of collecting veggies from students and prepared soup and sold it in different parts of the university for ₹10. The collected amount will be given to CSA program in Christ University. Following this, the hotel management students made an Italian soup called minestrone, 60 liters that could serve about 700 to 1,000 students at Christ University Central Block. 4 events that were organized by the Hotel Management Department were a poetry competition in which the students had to write on the topic Mother's Kitchen, a photography contest, the topic of which was emotions while having food, and a debate as well as a panel discussion with the topic Has Westernization Affected Indian Food Choices? JC talked to a student here and this is what she had to say.
This year that we've been doing SPARS activities, they've been open to the entire university, but they've been relatively smaller scale activities. I think this was the first time that we've tried to do something so big.
An NCC silent parade was organized to commemorate the victory in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. The parade was held in the PU quadrangle and the procession followed with no commands but the belief, confidence and trust in themselves. It was a spectacle to see the students showing such keen an interest in the activity. Sushmita had a talk with Padma Kumar sir over the event.
We chose to do this sort of a silent drill to showcase what NCC is capable of for the rest of the student community on campus. That is, we work on coordination, we work on teamwork, we are disciplined, we can get things done quite fast.
CAPS, Center of Academic and Professional Support, organized an event of how to apply for foreign universities for the students of Christ University. The key speakers were Anamika Vishwanathan, who is a business psychologist, and her son Anmay Vishwanathan, the first Indian school captain at Dulwich University. They delivered a talk on how to apply for US and UK universities by giving brief explanations of the requirements at the universities. They also showed the number of scholarships that are provided and the means and ways to apply for them. Nikhil had a chance to talk with Anmay.
The thing that I'm hoping for is that Indians who go abroad and study in the UK and US will learn so much about the world, will learn so much about how the West thinks. The thing that I really hope for is that everyone comes back. Comes back to India and you have that brain gain and you have people who want to give back to their own country.
This is Arjit Upadhyay and this is what transpired this week in the campus. A panel discussion on wealth management trends in India was organized by CISI at Christ University. A guest speech delivered by the Prime Minister of Tibet, Dr. Lobsang Sangay, was organized by the Law Department. The Department of Hotel Management celebrated the first anniversary of SWAD this week. An NCC silent parade was organized to commemorate the victory in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. CAPS, Center of Academic and Professional Support, organized an event on how to apply for foreign universities for the students of Christ University. That's all for this week. Tune in next week to see News for all the happenings and updates at our Christ University.